paid anytime.
Okay.
So
Pay.
we would determine what the amount.
Yeah, pay as determined. Okay. Plus, I'll just say plus other conditions.
Yep, okay.
Your Honor, does the court mind if I go ahead and call Mr. Blair just to kind of help facilitate? Make sure that.
Oh, I have no problem with that.
Page.
This is well, I'm glad that there's some techie people around.
Excuse me, Judge, he is
Yes.
not, he's no longer in the Zoom meeting.
Can you just translate for, or so to speak?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Mr. Blair,
Mr. Blair, I have you on speakerphone, and I'm in the courtroom with the judge and the prosecutor. I just want to make you aware, and the judge is going to talk. I'm pretty sure you're hearing me. I'm pretty sure that's back. All right. We don't know where we lost. I'm not sure where exactly we lost. We gave them some, but we lost. All right. All right. Judge can speak.
Okay. Here's okay.
Approach.
Yeah, please. Yeah, yes. Mr. Blair,
Yes, it is.
do you understand the plea agreement? It's basically.
Well, can you explain the plea agreement to me?
Okay, it would be a plea to illegal entry without permission, which carries up to 93 days jail, $500 fine plus court costs. The felony which is a 15-year felony, would be dismissed.
Yeah.
Do you understand so far? Do you understand that so far?
I do.
Okay, yeah, okay, good. There's other conditions, namely, their restitution would be determined before sentencing. It'll be 12 months probation, various other conditions of no violation of any laws. There's a misdemeanor pending, I think, here in Romulus to take care of PDQ, pretty darn quick. That's not really the term used, but you know what I mean, as soon as possible.
Okay, I understand.
Okay.
And no new cases.
And no new cases. Don't, in other words, stay out of trouble. Okay.
That's all right.
Okay. So, and you have had a chance to discuss this matter with your attorney and are satisfied. You have received your right to counsel.
Yes.
By pleading guilty or giving up certain rights, including the right to a trial by judge or jury. Do you understand?
Yes, sir, I do.
Giving up your right to see and to question witnesses who will come to court to testify against you, or have witnesses called for your defense.
Yes.
By pleading guilty, you're giving up your right to testify or remain silent. Should you decide not to testify, the silence cannot be used against you. No adverse comment may be made. Yes. In a trial, the prosecution.
Yes, I do.
In a trial, the prosecution has the burden of proof. The standard of proof is beyond a reasonable doubt. You are not required to prove anything, including your own innocence. Do you understand? Do you understand that? Yes. Is that yes?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I do understand.
And has anyone threatened you or promised you anything?
No,
Okay.
nobody threatens me, ever.
Mr. Blair.
A simple yes or no
Yes or
will
no,
suffice. Okay.
Just keep it simple, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yes or no?
And
Yes,
if
no,
you're on any kind of,
nobody ever threatens me.
please, Mr. Blair, a simple yes or no. Leave it at that. Okay.
No, nobody threatens.
Okay. Don't. Good.
Mr. Blair.
I have some books here. Okay.
Blair, you could be 105, it's still yes or no, right? So I'm just asking you, the judge is asking, Mr. Blair, I'm taking you off speaker, thankfully. I'm gonna put you back on speaker with the judge, okay? Yes or no, keep it simple and short and sweet, okay? All right? Put you back on speaker.
All right.
Yes or no?
Okay. So, if
Mr. Blair, be quiet, the judge is speaking. The judge is speaking. Okay, I need you to be quiet so the judge can speak.
are you if you're in any kind of probation or parole, this possibly could constitute a violation of that probation or parole. Do you understand?
Do you understand that, Mr. Blair? This could be, if you're on probation or parole, this could be a violation of that probation or parole. Do you understand that, yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So
I'm
on,
Mr. Blair.
please,
yes
please.
or no?
go.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, I'm
You-
stopping.
good,
I really
good.
am.
Okay, good,
I'm
good.
not trying to be hard.
Well,
I
you're
swear to
doing
God,
a good
I'm
job for not trying. Okay,
not.
December,
That's just my nature, really.
okay, why don't you put your nature on hold for a few minutes here, okay? December
Okay, I will,
22nd,
I will.
2018.
I'll shut up. You talk. I'll shut up.
Thank you.
You talk.
Okay, now, good, this is the time to shut up. December 22nd,
Okay.
2018, you were in Belleville, Wayne County, Michigan, correct?
December 27th, 2018?
Yes.
17, what'd you say?
2018, December 22nd.
I don't even remember what
Yes
I
or
was
no?
doing in
Just-
2018, to be honest with you. I don't
Well,
remember.
be honest with me,
You
and,
know, but I
I-
don't agree with you. You can
no,
say
were you,
I don't
just
care.
answer,
Mr. Blair. Mr. Blair. Mr. Blair, this is Tyrone. Mr. Blair. You need to stop.
do you think about Irish history?
Mr. Blair. Come on. Oh, Mr. Blair. Mr. Blair. Listen. You have to stop talking. Do you understand that, yes or no? Do you understand that, yes or no? Yes. Yeah, no, you're not stopping. Mr. Blair. Yes or no means you say yes or no, and you don't say anything after that. That's making it very difficult to do this procedure. It's making it extremely difficult. Okay? Now, we're almost done, but see what I mean? You're still talking over me. Mr. Blair, Mr. Blair. If you don't stop,
No, you're doing fine. It's client control problem.
Okay, so when I put you back on speaker with the judge, I need you to listen and just say yes or no and nothing else. Not I'm sorry, not okay, not I'll stop, just yes or no. Please, please, thank you. Are you
Okay.
sure? Okay.
All right,
Okay, I'm gonna, okay, now, Mr. Blair, I'm right here with the judge now. I'm gonna put you back on speaker and we're almost done, okay? All right, I'm gonna put you back on speaker. You ready? Oh, okay. No more words except for yes or no.
tell him to say yes. December 22nd, 2018, you were in Belleville, Wayne County, Michigan. Yes?
Yes, you were at that in Belleville on
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay, and you entered a home at 170 2nd Street without permission of the occupant or owner. Is that correct?
That's correct, right, Mr.? Is that correct, Mr. Blair, that you entered without permission?
I don't
Is
know.
yes or no? Mr. Blair. No.
Yes. Okay, let's do yes.
Okay, so yes, all right, good, thank you. Have I complied with the court rule finally?
Yes, sir.
People are satisfied.
Okay, please accept the other charges dismissed. We have a date for sentencing. Yeah, well, you'll be contacted by the probation department and please cooperate with them.
Hello?
Okay, yeah, Mr. Blair, we're
Yeah,
here.
you'll be
Let's do the final
contacted by the
instructions.
probation department and please cooperate with them and show up when you're supposed to, okay?
I sure will.
Thank you,
And I'll
okay.
get you the next date. I'll have it for you.
Well, thank you very much.
All right, Mr. Blair.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, buddy.
Why do you think I retired? Okay, all right. Okay, so you're on,
Oh, yeah, we have.
okay, wait, all right. Okay.
Place called Cedar. It's a very interesting concept. Guy has bought an estate. He finds buried in his garden a rotted box, oilskin, and inside is a brass ring. It's cow. And go to this man is a property of Angus McPherson, Glasgow, Scotland, 1750. It's basically how this indentured servant came to America. It's really good.
These are, I've heard them called.
Yeah, he's excellent. Catherine is actually, I was in Panama with the Navy and it's about Barry, John Adams, made the miniseries, which is actually nothing about the Declaration. Great the paintings, real vignettes. There's like we had like a mini bio of like Humboldt as Humboldt current, or Remington as the artist.
Right.
You know, just very good. And then this guy, John Volker, he wrote under a pen name of Traver. He was a justice of the state Supreme Court. And he wrote Anatomy of a Murder, which is a true story of a murder case in Marquette, Michigan. And then this one was neat because it was a fiction, but it was an actual state Supreme Court case. And Laughing Whitefish is the Indian tale from Ojibwe. Thank you. On this woman whose father led the mining companies to find iron, and her father was promised, 2% of the gross or something, and he was dead, so she was claiming it, but they fought it because under Michigan law, his father, she was illegitimate, but so it was, of course, it's a novel, and it gets into others, but it's based on an actual case, Laughing Whitefish. So there's a waterfall there, and you people Laughing Whitefish. So anyway, I'm just,
He's fantastic.
if you like Irish history,
My girlfriend's Irish.
okay,
I'm
well,
Welsh.
okay, no, that's right. Huh. Just talk slow. But
I do.
Flanagan's the author. There's Year of the French, which is like 17 something, say 98. The French land troops helped the Irish fight the annual revolt. It's British, of course, get the butt skipped. And then time, and that was like say 1880, and then Hunt, which is like 1916, 1922, something like that. Okay, this one is okay. These two, this one especially I like, because that's what my grandparents came to the United States. But they had absentee landlords in Ireland that would collect the rent, and then people started. And there's like various uprisings and stuff. But they have, and the way this guy writes, he has real people intermingling with the fictional characters. It's a neat way to do that.
Yeah, Flanagan, is it his daughter's name?
Yeah.
I have to talk to my grandfather. He read a few books, and he has some put aside for me when he gets here. He'll be at my house on Sunday for a family barbecue, so I'll have to ask him about it.
Yeah, but it's interesting the way they did that. For example, one of the characters, peripheral characters in Tennis of Time, was there was a area in Western Ireland where this guy I think he's a captain of the British Army, but they hired him to go in there and collect rents. Real fierce. What's that? Are we off the record? Okay. So just be a real. The people in town wouldn't speak to him, wouldn't tell him anything, just ignored him. And they're so afraid of insurrection. They brought troops into escort him out of town. They were lining the streets, and as they went by, they sent it back to him. You know what his name was? Charles Boycott.
Is that where the term comes from?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's incredible.
Yeah. And then this one's good because it gets into it's after the Easter Rising. And then it's like the Irish Civil War, Colin, the Devil by Randall people, are intermingling with these other people. So it's just, I enjoy it.
Josh, this is fantastic. Thank you so much. I would definitely be reading a place called Freedom.
Yeah, that was good. And then the McCullough's excellent.
Yes, McCullough's awesome. I've read.
He wrote one another one called. He wrote one
He
about
wrote
the
Hamilton,
pine.
didn't he? McCullough did.
What?
Didn't McCullough write Hamilton?
No,
He didn't?
no, the guy from New York. What's his name? He's Puerto Rican. Parents are from Puerto Rico.
Lin-Manuel Miranda.